Oh my, yeah, you got a good handful there.
Might get your hair. Oh, nope. How about not screaming at her? Give her kisses again.
You want to kiss that face? Come on.
Okay, Maya. You keep pulling Hannah's hair out. Is she hurting you, honey?
Let me get this one before it gets all the way down. Oh yeah, good one.
Oh yeah, good one.
Very nice.